So hi, hello, and welcome again. Look, this is what we have to do today. I've prepared again a lot of information cards, and today's topic, here it is. Today's topic, arthropods. What in the world are arthropods? Well, again, you're going to find out today. And yeah, I'm going to start off this lesson by making a few drawings, which you can also copy. Okay, and that's why I prepared a little white sheet of paper here, and I'm going to show you how to draw a spider, an insect, a crab, and also a myriapod. For example, centipedes and millipedes, they belong to the myriapods. Here, I got one of them here already. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to start off with the drawing, and then we're going to sort out those information cards here. Oh, okay. I almost forgot about this. Yeah. Of course, I also prepared a few microscope slides here that we're going to look at. This is the leg of a honeybee. Yeah. And this here, this tiny dot over here that you see, that is a tick. We're going to count the legs of a tick. And this one over here is the flea of a dog. Yeah, it's an insect. We're going to look at this these slides after I've made the drawings. Yeah, so I'm going to start off and I'm going to start drawing a spider. A spider has a head. And this head, well, is known as a so-called a cephalothorax. It's a head and a chest fused together and a huge abdomen. Yeah, and a spider has 8 legs. You know what? I'm just going to put this nice little title over here so that you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, okay. 3, 4. And the spider also has tiny eyes here. And the spider is finished. So this, we don't say spider because also mites and ticks, they belong to this category. So we call them arachnids. Okay. As a matter of fact, yeah, I can actually already start allocating those cards here. Yeah, here, for example, that's one here. Yeah, here this is a tick. Yeah, you see, it looks kind of similar. Okay, and I've got some other drawings here. Where is my? Yeah, where is the drawing of? No, not the drawing, the picture of my arachnid. And I think here it is. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it's a little bit better. Maybe I should have. Drawn the legs a little bit more separate here. Yeah, they're all going together here to a point. I think that's not good. I think you see over here, yeah, that this leg is a little bit further behind. But when you copy the drawing, you can make it better. Okay, so that is the first category. These are the arachnids, and yeah, let's put it to the side here. And the next one that I'm going to draw is maybe you can guess already. I'm now going to draw 3 body parts. So there's going to be a head, a thorax. It's like the chest, and an abdomen. Okay. And look what we've got here. That's a wing, forewing, and maybe a hind wing. And I'm going to, yeah, I'm not going to draw the other side over here. Yeah, I'm just going to draw over here 1, 2, 3 legs on one side, and of course 1, well, difficult to see, 3 legs on the other side. Yeah. What else do we have? We have, yeah, antenna. Sometimes the antenna, they can be quite large. Okay, and we have huge compound eyes. So sometimes, yeah, you can even see the segments. Well, what do you think it is? Yeah, it's of course an insect. Okay, we remember insects have 3 pairs of legs. Okay, 6 legs. I mean, maybe you want to draw them even a little bit longer so that you can see them a little bit better. Yeah. Yeah, many insects also are able to fly. Yeah. So over here now, where is my insect? Here it is. Okay, insect is over here, and I'm going to now show you this one here. That is the picture of the dog Flea, which we're going to look at under the microscope in just a minute. Okay, and yeah, if you count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are also 6 legs over here. Yeah. So next one that I'd like to talk about, yeah, are the crustaceans. I'll put it right here already, and they are a little bit more difficult to draw. So I'm going to go whoop and whoop. Well, maybe they're not so difficult to draw after all. Yeah. So I have problems drawing those pincers over here. So I'm going to whoop, What a simple drawing. Oh my gosh. 2 eyes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, do you see 5 pairs of legs? So this is the first pair of leg. Okay, then 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, what a crab. Okay, so my crab is finished. We call them crustaceans. And where is the picture of my crab? Here it is. Okay, here we go. Yeah, should I actually write this out? Crustaceans. Okay, here we go. So, yeah, we're almost finished. The last one are the Myriapods, and yeah, centipedes and millipedes belong to that category. So here we go. Okay, here's an example. Yeah, and I start off again by drawing a little head. And I'm going to, maybe the head should be a little bit bigger. Sometimes there are huge antennae present, and sometimes they also have pincers. And then I'm going to draw many of these body segments. Okay. So, and now I'm going to draw the legs, and millipedes, what they have is they have 2 legs per segment. So those parts here are called segments. Basically 2 pairs of legs. That's yeah. And centipedes, they only have 1 pair. So I'm just going to draw, yeah, 1 over here each. Yeah, and for each segment on the other side as well. Yeah. So, and they are known as myriapods. Pod means leg. Okay. Myriapod. Okay. And this picture you've already seen here. Yeah. And yeah, these are some nice drawings of some arthropods. Okay. And what we're going to, yeah, so I don't know. I don't have enough space. Okay, here we go. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you, some of them under the microscope, because they also look kind of nice. So for this reason, I have to turn on the microscope now. So here we go. Let me switch on the microscope now. Okay, let's turn on the light, and let's have a look at the leg of a honeybee. Honeybee worker leg composite whole mount. That's what it says here. Okay, let me put it under here, and then I'm going to talk a little bit more about what arthropods are. So I have to find it. Where is it? Where is it? I have to center it. Here we go. Okay. Look, I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go like this. That's much better. Okay. So a little bit more light. So, that's very nice. The part that you see now in the center, this, this is the part where the leg of the honeybee is connected to the thorax, to the chest. Here, this is, look how big it is. Maybe you're able to also, of course, you're able to also see those tiny little hair on it. Yeah, and here, that's, the end of the leg. Okay, so the leg is upside down now. Of course, arthropods, what they have is they have a so-called an exoskeleton. Exoskeleton. And an exoskeleton is a hard outside skeleton. So all arthropods have that. And where are the muscles? Well, the muscles are inside the exoskeleton, inside the body. So I always say, well, humans and or mammals and arthropods are different in the sense that we are soft on the outside, and our hard bones are inside. And with the arthropods, it's exactly the opposite. They are hard on the outside with a hard exoskeleton, and the soft tissue is inside. And arthropod means jointed legs. So you can see all of those. That's, for example, a joint. Yeah? And then there are muscles inside the arthropod, inside the exoskeleton, that pull on the exoskeleton, and that's why it's able to move. Okay. Yeah. So that's an example of an insect leg. Yeah. Of a honeybee. One of the 6 legs that a honeybee has. Okay, so this is the first thing that I want to show you. I mean, if you want, so we can go up a little bit with the magnification. Let's go in a little bit further. This is now using the 4x. I'm changing the objective now to 10x. 10 times. I have to go up with the brightness as always. Yeah, I don't know if you're able to see the muscles inside. As a matter of fact, I don't know, difficult to see. You're not the hair on the outside, but there are those very fine structures inside. It's a little bit transparent. These might be the muscles attaching maybe to the exoskeleton. Yeah, that's a joint over here of the leg. Yeah. Of course, we humans also have joints. So they are where two bones are connected, and here that is the claw of a honeybee. Okay, so I kind of like this specimen quite a bit. Yeah. So here, let's go back all the way to the beginning again. Here, this is where it is connected, to the rest of the insect. So that's one thing. So I'm going to now show you also. Let's go back to the lower magnification again. I'm going to now show you the flea, the dog flea, which is, of course, also an insect. I have to find it again. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. That is a flea. Let me do a little bit refocus a little bit here. So very nice. So again, I'm going to go up with the magnification, and of course, also here you're able to see the different joints of the legs. Yeah, also the eyes and the head. Yeah. And look at the hind legs. The last pair of legs are huge. Of course, a flea is able to jump. Yeah. Now, how many legs are there? Let's count them. Yeah, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, the two hind 6 legs, but 2 of them are a little bit difficult to see because they're overlapping. Yeah. So, but now you should be able, to count them. So, a flea is of course an insect and has 6 legs, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, if you count from the top, 2 of the legs are overlapping a little bit. Therefore, they're difficult to see or to see as separate legs. Yeah, but that is an example of an insect. Now, I don't know. I'm going to go here a little bit into higher magnification. Maybe we're able to look into the insect a little bit. Do you see those stripes inside? These seem to be the muscles. Yeah, that are connecting. Yeah. And for those of you who are a little bit more advanced, if you look very careful, then you're able to see that these are striated muscles because they have the so-called the light and the dark bands. They are also visible, slightly visible. Now that's a little bit more advanced what I'm telling you right now. Okay, so change this one here around here. Yeah, now very nicely visible. Yeah, these are the muscles right now that are those parallel lines, and they are also striped. So it's the so-called the light and the dark bands. Yeah, that's a little bit more advanced topic, but in case some of you heard about that. Yeah, so those are the muscles that connect to the exoskeleton. So let's have a look now at a tick. And a tick, here that is the last one over here. And I'm also going to show you a video. This tick, of course, is on the microscope slide and dead, but I'm going to show you also a video of a live one. Here we go. Okay, look at this. Okay, I need to refocus again. Here we go. I think that's a nice one. I'm going to go down with the magnification because it's easier to see this way. Look at this. Okay. Yeah, here we go. And how many legs are there? Well, 8 legs. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the part of the tick that goes, that's able to suck the blood. We have to look at zoom in at the head. Look, it almost looks like a saw. Here we go. Pretty scary looking thing here. Look. Yeah. The mouth parts that are used to go through the skin to suck the blood. Yeah, ticks are not unproblematic. Ticks can carry diseases. Yeah, so yeah, and these ticks, where did I get them from? Well, I'll be honest with you. I've got a little tick collection because I pulled them out of my own skin. Yeah. So these are this tick actually also was sucking my own blood here. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to now show you a video of a live tick. Okay, so so where is this? Here we go. Okay, Yeah, here we go. Look at this. This is now a video, and look, there are the organs that are now moving. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to really go very fast so that you're able to see. I'm going fast back and forth now, so that you're able to see the organs inside the tick. Yeah. So let's zoom in a little bit more. Here we go. Okay, it's a little bit dark here. But you can see now I'm looking way into a tick, now into an arthropod, and yeah, through the exoskeleton, and we're able to see the organs move. Here again, I'm a little bit faster, so it's easier to see. Okay. Here we go again. Okay, so we go back here now to yeah, the desk view, and let's now look a little bit at those information cards here as well. And I'm going to remove everything here. So arthropods. I have to clean up my desk here a little bit. So, and let's put this away here. And yeah, many body segments. What's this one? It has many body segments. It has an antenna, 1 or 2 pair of legs per segment. Yeah. So these are the Myriapods. So you can put them together. You know what? I mean, you've already seen the pictures already before. So Myriapods and a picture. Of course, if you don't like those pictures, you can of course always find your own and use those. Yeah. So that is yeah. One of them. So the next one, what is this here? They have, yeah, which one? Who's got 3 body parts, 3 pairs of legs, wings, and compound eyes and antenna? You're gonna say, oh, not all of them have wings. Like for example, the flea that I just showed you didn't have wings, and because it's able to jump. Well, these are of course the insects. So we put this one over here. Yeah, over here we have a picture of of 2 insects. Okay, you know them already. Yeah. So next one, we can go pretty quickly because there is no new information. 2 body parts, 4 pairs of legs, and simple eyes. These are the arachnids. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to remove this again. I'm going to show you at the very end of the video. I'm going to put again a picture with all of this information again here. Arachnids, these are the, in this case, I used the tick as an example. Spiders, of course, belong to this as well. Mites belong to this, but they're all called arachnids. Yeah? And last but not least, the crustaceans. They have a so-called a carapace. A carapace is a thick shell on the outside. They also have gills, so they need to breathe, and they are located under the shell, and they have 5 pairs of legs. So here this is a so-called a Japanese spider crab. It's a huge one. And here we go. Okay. Yeah, again, I'm going to put this away. Yeah, so they belong together. Yeah. So these are the crustaceans. And as a matter of fact, yeah, I'm already finished, but I did not show you the word exoskeleton yet. I think this is really an important thing. The word arthropod means jointed appendages, and they have also exoskeletons. As I explained, they are it's the skeleton on the outside. Because, for example, a crab is hard on the outside. So that is basically the important characteristics of all of them. And last but not least, look, I even found a little assignment over here. Find pictures of animals that belong to the different arthropod classes, glue them into your notebook together with the drawings. Make sure that you also include the binomial name of the animal that you found. Yeah, well, actually, I've already done that for myself. Look, I found a picture here of a crustacean and included over here the binomial name. So over here as well, the dog flea, I've included the binomial name, the genus name, and both together is the species name. And look at this here. Sometimes I didn't know which species this is. I just could find the order. Yeah, so I just mentioned the order to which it belongs to. And over here, another one. Yeah, sometimes if you know the genus, but if you do not know the exact species name, if the second part of the name is missing and you only know the genus, then you can abbreviate this with SP. Okay, SP period. And that means, it's some kind of a species that belongs to this genus. Okay, so because I think it's nice to do a little bit research on your own. Maybe you've got better pictures. Maybe you want to take pictures yourself of insects. It's also possible, and then you can print them out. And these are just pictures that I made. By the way, this here is the picture of the mite that I showed you just a few minutes ago under the microscope. Yeah. So look at this. I think I have to clean everything up here, and I'm going to say today that's it. Hope that you liked it again. Wish you all the best, and of course, see you around next time. Bye bye.